How to make Threads profile private. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Threads application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, you'll see five different options. You'll see home icon there, the search icon, the create post, the notification icon, and of course your profile icon. So here on your profile icon, it will look like this. Since we want to make your account or your profile private, then what you want to do is to actually tap on the two dash lines here, your settings area, and tap on privacy here. Now here on your privacy, you'll see a lot of options, right? But the first option there, you'll see private profile. So since you want to private or make your profile private, then all you have to do is to just toggle that on. And then here it will ask for confirmation if you want to switch to private profile. And then if you are good with it, tap on OK. And basically, that is how you make Threads profile private. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.